Hello friends, my today topic is a star schema. So what is a star schema? Star schema is a design in database. I already have mentioned with you what is a star schema. By now, you must have a fair idea about star schemas, constraints and ERDs. Now we will go through an example of a star schema and understand how it makes database designing simpler and more intuitive. A star schema is a multi-dimensional data model used to organize data in database so that it is easy to understand and analyze. Star schemas can be applied to data warehouses, databases, data marts, and other tools. The star schema design is optimized for querying large data sets. Now, we all we will take complete case study of doing analysis on star schema by using SQL. We are going to do this almost end to end. We will begin by looking at the design of a star schema. Then we will get into SQL within SQL. Within SQL, we will look at all the constructs that are needed, all the way from creating the databases, creating schemas to working with the data. How do you add data, and eventually we will spend a significant amount of time trying to clean how to use SQL select statement. In coming videos, I am talking about. Select statement to analyze data that are present in this particular star schema. So, shall we get started? So, what you have in front of you is a star schema. Just to recall, what is a star schema? In a star schema, there is a central fact table and there is a lots of dimension associated with that fact table. That fact table contains some quantitative data that we want to analyze, and the dimension table that are associated with that is the metadata with those fact tables. As here we are watching, this market factful is the center. Market factful is a fact table. The market factful is a fact table and other are the dimension table. So if I am saying 10,000 rupees is the sales that constitute as a fact data, that I can associate with multiple dimension. I can say that this is 10,000 corresponding to the specific product like washing machine. This is a specific order that placed on that specific date, and this belongs to this particular customer. So these are the dimension associated with that particular number 10,000. How do you capture in design? So we have a central fact table here, which name is market factful, and this design is a star schema that is referred as market fact. So this is essentially a fact table. As I said, a fact table must contain fact variable. So a fact variable is quantitative attribute which is capturing something which I want to analyze. As you can see here in this fact table, the attributes that will satisfy the fact variable definitions are sales, discount, order, profit, shipping cost, and product base margin. These are the fact variables. So these are 6 variables which are fact variables available for analysis. So these constitute fact variable. So we can recall our earlier discussion we had in previous videos. Fact variable are typically numerical or numerically or quantitative attribute in nature. Then you can see there are other attribute also present like product ID, customer ID, we have market fact, we have order ID, we have shipping ID. So how many dimension you can see this particular star schema? You have 4 dimension table there. Cost dimension, order dimension, shipping, and product dimension. Now, if we put it on the relational database terminology, you would recall that they are referred to as foreign key because they refer to set of values which may exist in fact table. So it means in my fact table, I can record the sales of only those products which exist in my product dimension table. So this is essentially a brief overview of a star schema. You can see that this star schema is different from ER diagram, and you have seen because as I mentioned earlier, when we are talking about online analytical processing data warehousing, so we use this type of star schema, and it is really good to have. It is really uh, good to have star schema in larger data analysis. It is better to organize in the star schema format. Your data in the form of star schema. So this is the structure we are using throughout this course. We are going to use this type of schema in coming SQL queries and in whatever we are doing in this in throughout our course of MySql. What are the basic advantages of this course? The market star schema consists of 5 tables: central fact table and 4 dimension table, which is described that the fact table that this structure of one fact table with multiple dimension makes data analysis easier because it reduces the number of joins required for querying data. When we write down any query any query here for more than one table, we use joins. So this type of schema reduces the requirement use of number of joins. So this makes queries simpler and easier. This is the main advantage, and this will make a person, a user who are doing data analysis to makes thing easy to understand other person also. So I hope you understood what is the star schema and what are the benefit of using star schema in data analysis. I hope you got this. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.